I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm doing another episode from my Fall in Love with Fall series. Today I'm showing you a DIY Rustic Glam pumpkin topiary. I hope you enjoy. So guys, I wanted to share with you a DIY topiary pumpkin. Now, I wanted to show you a really inexpensive way of creating something. So what I did first of all is shopped my own home. Now, I had this ceramic vase. It's actually from Kmart and I absolutely love it. I love the rope design, but I wanted it in white. So I started first of all by taking it outside and spray painting it white. Ended up giving it 2 coats, and this is going to be the base for our pumpkin. So what I'm going to do here guys is just let this dry, and we're going to start off making the pumpkins. Now guys, this year I purchased from Big W this beautiful poncho. Now I absolutely love the look of it, but there must have been some sort of fault with it guys, because seriously all it did was shed. I had a black long sleeve top underneath, and by the end of it you couldn't even tell it was black. It looked like I'd rolled around in a dog bed. I was just covered in fake fur. Now I didn't want to throw it out, but of course I couldn't wear it anymore. So I decided to recreate some beautiful fur pumpkins with this poncho. Now I started first of all by cutting out 2 equal squares. Then you're going to cut out a 3rd square, which is going to be the smaller pumpkin. Now you're then going to take some toilet paper rolls. Now I've done this method before guys, it's super easy. What you want to do is take the first toilet paper roll. Now you want to unwind it 5 or 6 times, and then what we're going to do is rewind it back up. You're then going to place it in the centre of the fabric. You're then going to take some hobby fill. Now I just cut up an old cushion I wasn't using anymore guys, and you're going to put the hobby fill around the outside of the toilet paper roll. Now you want to make this nice and fluffy because you want the bottom pumpkin to be nice and full. You're then going to take each corner of the fabric and start tucking it into the middle of the roll. What I did here is I took some scissors guys and I pushed down. This gives a nice firm effect. I'm then going to take some dollar store jute, and what we're going to do here guys is just tie some underneath and then tie some across. This will give the lines of the pumpkin. I then started on the second pumpkin using the same method. Now with the smaller pumpkin, I chose not to unwind the toilet paper roll because I didn't want it to be too big. So what I did is just placed it in the centre and placed a little bit of hobby fill around the outside. Now once I had the desired effect, I took one of these dollar store dowels and taking some of that jute, what I'm going to do is completely cover it.
Don't need no one to say you're complicated. 'Cause I knew from the start this might be overrated.
I then placed it in the centre of the little pumpkin. Now I wanted to make my topiary stable, guys, so I took some of this craft wire and what I'm going to do is just place a piece between the bottom and the middle pumpkins. I then took one of these beautiful gold glitter leaves that I've had for quite a few years and I added one of my spotlight brooches and I'm just going to hot glue that to the top. Now I then took my Kmart vase and placed my topiary in the centre. Now I wanted to decorate it with a few more fall touches, guys. So remember this dollar store garland that I did in a recent DIY? What I'm going to do is wrap that round the bottom. Here is my finished Rustic Glam fall pumpkin topiary. Guys, I'm so happy with how this came. Guys, I absolutely love creating something from nothing. I love shopping my own home and recreating new things, and that's exactly what I did with this DIY.
Might be a breakup, 'cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say you need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I absolutely love sharing inspirational ideas, DIY projects and room tours here on this channel, and I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.